If you want to check the battery temperature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to use a third-party app that allows us to check that information. So we're gonna use Play Store in this case. Let's search. And the app that I'm gonna use is called GCPU. This is the app that I usually use in order to check the battery temperature. And once it is installed, of course, we want to open it. So let's get through the configuration first. Let's press this check in the bottom right corner. Here we can press do not consent. You might see some ads here and there because the app is completely free. And here immediately we can check the battery temperature. We can also tap here, press do not consent if it pops up like this. Let's check again. Of course we have an ad. And let's skip the video. Okay. And right now here we can also check the battery. We can also check the temperature. The temperature can be also seen over here. And that is essentially it. This is how we can easily check the battery temperature on S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!